Hey everyone, we're going to make a toolbox, one that holds all the tools we need to cope with life when things don't go our way. But first, let's take a look at what a regular toolbox looks like and how it usually works. Okay, here we go. This is what most toolboxes usually look like. Every one of these tools does a different job. And when we make our coping skill toolbox, you'll get to see how we're going to make that work for us. Now let's go ahead and begin building a toolbox for our coping skills. Okay, you really just want something that can hold all the things you need to help you stay calm when things are not going your way. So the first thing I'm going to put in my coping toolbox is a journal. In here you can write down things that you feel, things you want to say to someone if you're not ready to speak to them yet, but you want to get your emotions out. This is a really good tool to have. Next thing I'm gonna put is something to relax me. One of the things I find very relaxing are candles. These are very cheap. They're about $1. Some people give them away for free. Also, let's add some books. Are you a reader? Reading stories can give you entertainment, fun, suspense. I'm a reader and I highly recommend add this in your toolbox. Next thing I'm going to add is some magazines. This is actually just a video game magazine. I like video games, so next thing is something that you can do to stay distracted and keep your mind off something that is not going your way. Word searches, all right? You can find a lot of word searches, even in the newspaper. Sometimes they come in free newsletters. Moving on, headphones. These are my trusty headphones. I plug these up to my phone or to any radio or speaker, and I can hear all my favorite songs and nothing else. I can kind of block out all the other noise. I really enjoy headphones for that reason. Next, I'm going to add a game, a nice board game that I can either play by myself or play with someone else. This helps keep my mind off of negativity and helps me focus on something that is also actually fun. Next thing I'm going to add is painting. I don't know if you enjoy painting or if anyone else does, but we got the paint, some brushes, and we'll throw a little canvas in there. You don't need an expensive canvas. That's really just a tablecloth that is very good to paint on. Okay, this item I'm gonna put in is very important. If you have pictures of friends or pets or loved ones, you might want to add that. Look at those whenever you're upset and make you feel a lot better. And last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and add a jump rope to all this so I can get some exercise, which always helps me feel good. So what do you guys think? Well, there you have it. My coping toolbox is complete. What are you waiting for? Get started on yours now.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.